Hey guys, how are you? I'm Abraham Cohen here at Lamborghini Broward with Steve from 360. He's getting some really good footage of the new Urus. There's some pretty amazing things that this SUV has come out with. It's going to be the fastest SUV on the market. It's a super SUV. It's first in class, and it'll really be a game changer for Lamborghini. It has 650 horsepower. All-wheel drive and four-wheel steering, which means the back tires move as well to shorten the wheelbase. It's really low. It has the largest carbon ceramic brakes you can get on the market right now, and it has all the advanced technologies that you can get out there. I mean, you have 2 dual touch screens with ambient lighting packages, so you can change all the lighting. You have and in the cup holders and all over you can change, and it wouldn't be Lamborghini if you can't get many colors, so you can actually change all your colors the way you want. So it almost has like an ad personam, so we can go all the way up here to like 30, which is pretty neat. And then you have obviously a great navigation system. You have blind spot monitoring. You have a full 3D view camera. I wish I could show it to you on this car, but this is the corporate car and it's not working right now, but it'll be a full 3D screen with the car and you can actually watch it. So this car is going to be the future of the super SUV. Has all the sporting, like carbon fiber everywhere. You can get that option. So it has all the luxury of an SUV, has all the comfort, all the safety, and has all the speed of an actual any type of exotic. So it'll keep up with the best of them. So we're really excited about this here at Lamborghini Broward, and I know Lamborghini as a brand is really excited about this car, and we're getting a really great reaction from customers. So can't wait till it comes out already. Can't wait to see them on the road. It's going to be amazing for Lamborghini. So thanks.